I'm really happy to answer this question. You have put up a very, very relevant question. Why do I feel that the print media in India is never going to die? I've been consistently advocating for the print media just because I know that in India, print media is going to survive for more than 10 years from now. It's just because we have a faith in print. We have a practice or a lifestyle which is being developed by the kind of growing up pattern in India is that from the childhood we used to read newspapers uh, in the early morning hours with a cup of tea. We see our parents reading it and then we follow them, starting with the say inside pages first and then move to the front page. That's been a practice in India for quite long, and it is going to continue for long. This is one thing, and two is that uh, say newspapers can give more information, authentic information, say verified information, credible information than any other media, which is say television for that matter. They can give say a breaking news and then a bit of follow up with a kind of quote from someone is an expert, and then discuss on this particular subject on television at a later hour. But for a newspaper, the backgrounder, the information which is put up in their library can be pulled out and put across to the reader for a better understanding of the news. Well, that is now being taken to their websites, which is like digital invasion is getting more into that. But then the creation of that particular news items are happening in the print news desk. Reporters are filing the news and then they are working on it, calling people for authenticating the facts and then putting up on. So the credibility is more on print than any other media. This is a mindset of an average Indian. So the print is never going to die. I don't deny that the digital invasion is making roots to the news desk. Yes, it is happening. If you look at Hindustan Times, they have started this digital first plan, wherein they have planned a desk wherein the news flow is automatic into all platforms. They are delivering to the print, they are delivering to the digital media, they are delivering for the video content, and then making the reader say updated every moment. And this is happening with Times of India, and this is happening with Indian Express. And more also, it is even happening with smaller newspapers, those who want to really grab the attention of the readers. It's a tough job, but newspaper organizations are trying their level best to accumulate the possible ways to deliver news to their readers. There is a flow when you look at the digital first patterns being implemented at several newspaper organizations. See, we Indians love to read the newspapers from a time span of say 5:30 in the morning to 7:30. Then people are really busy getting ready to the offices. Like, so what happens then? The news flow switches to the television channels. The channel is on. People are say getting ready for their office. Somebody is shaving, somebody is brushing, somebody is just moving around. Housewives at their kitchens are very busy preparing say breakfast, but their ears are open and a frequent switch to the visual is also there, so they put the news on and then working accordingly. So from say 7 to 9, 9:30, it is the television channels switched on. Then it's moving to the digital device, wherein you have a smartphone. while traveling, you are switching on that and looking at the news portals and seeing what is happening around. So till you reach the office, see, you are on your smartphones. Then from 10 to 12, it is your laptops. You switch on your laptop, see what is happening there, reply to your mails, go to the social media sites and see what is happening there, reply to some, and you, at some point of time, you really post something on your social media channels. See, either you copy paste a news which you loved, or you put up a comment on what you feel about that particular news. So that is happening in that. So it's like 12:30. Say 1 to 2 is the lunch time, wherein all of you, if you have a smartphone, you click on that and see that is there anything happening around, and then be in touch with people. Again, back to office at 2 o'clock after lunch. 2 to 4 is basically either your laptop or television channels really works. And from there, from 6 to 7 or 8 in the evenings, it's the television time, wherein you don't really look at the gadgets which you have, maybe because of the pressures from your spouses that you need to give some time to them. So you are settled there in a sofa and watching the television. And from 8 to again 10, see, you are switching from the print. You may look at the newspaper which has come in the early morning and see that if there is something interesting, and browse through that and read it. Uh, then again you go back to the television, go back to your smartphone. So this interlinking of delivery systems are very, very important, and this is what we need to understand. And all newspaper organizations these days are doing that. As fast as we can do that, it's very good. But mind it, I still repeat this one thing. Print media is never going to die in India. It will remain there as strong as it can be, and all other media vehicles will be supporting the print. And it need to do that. India is something in that way different in media, uh, say, segmentation and usage. So don't think that something happening in US or UK or anywhere in the world is going to repeat in India. Well, this is my opinion. You may have a different opinion. Thank you.